Man, this is a mind explosion. Like really, like I feel like so much stress just like left.
It's nice and easy. So drop table is just like that. It just drops down. Nothing crazy, right? The only difference is I'm going to push right through this. I'm going to do it one more time. All right. And we're going to go right up here to your neck. Well, it's not kind of exactly the neck. This is what's called CT. Okay, it's right kind of this junction between the neck and upper back. So we're going to sneak in here. I haven't done it much yet. I just moved it. There we go. There's the rest. All right. Let's check this out. Oh, one more. Perfect. That's what I want to hear. Let's go right here onto the side. We're going to put our famous chiropractic pretzel position. Move down a little bit and all the way towards me. Yeah. If your shoulder's off that kind of headrest, you're going to feel much more comfortable. All right? And we're obviously going to adjust your head to toe today. All right?
Okay.
So nice and easy. Take a deep breath in. Oh yeah. There we go. See how much you can move? Perfect. Let's get to the other side. Same thing. Move back down and all the way towards me. Lifting the edge a little bit. All right. Bottom leg straight. This one we're going to bend. I'm going to roll towards me here.
Oh, crazy.
Crazy? All right. On your back. Everybody should be hugged at least once a day. At least my version of a hug. I'm going to give a big bear hug and put my arm. Nice and relaxed. One more. Good. That's it. So far, so good?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do the neck. I'm going to go right to here. The only difference is I'm going to give a little push right there. All right?
Oh.
Ready for the other side?
Yeah.
All right. Same thing. Going to go to the side here. Nice and easy. And you can feel some, like this one right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one's nice, but let's take care of that one here.
I was telling my wife, oh man, I'm gonna get Steven Seagal.
No, can you imagine those movies will be so boring if they were Steven Seagal? I failed. Yeah, wants to move this way, does not want to move this way at all. So we're gonna pull, twist, and shove back in, all right? It's gonna be very quick. There it goes. All right, let's take care of the other stuff here. There we go. One more. That needs a little bit more, but whoop, there we go. And we're gonna switch over to this one for a split second. This one moves fairly well with a little exception. That's it. All right, let's take care of the toes. We're gonna grab the big toe here. There we go. One more. Good.
Wow.
All right. I think the only thing we're missing at this point is your shoulders, your arms, and your ears. Same setup, bud. Ready for the shoulders?
Yeah.
Right. There we go. Nice and relaxed. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Relax. Drop down. Good.
Wow.
Go ahead. Stand up. Let's secure your wrists. Relax.
Oh.
Nice and easy. Drop. I'll give it back to you, I promise. Yours to keep. I do not collect body parts. There we go. Good. Relax. There it goes. When I'm pulling on these, I'm actually not going after the knuckles here. I'm actually going after the bones right there.
Oh.
Drop. It's so easy to start to want to help, but that's one thing we don't want to do. Move around, see how you feel.
It's so weird because I swear I was like, I don't know if I'll feel it different. Like, she's like, no, you will. Trust me, the first one you will already. It's so weird.
Do we need to address anything else?
Huh?
Do we need to address anything else?
No, that's pretty awesome.
You're gonna feel a little different. Just look at the camera, say whatever you want to say.
Man, this is a mind explosion. Like really, like I feel like so much stress just like left, like with every move. It's kind of weird, but in a
Awesome.
good way. Yeah.
Good. All right.